What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today, in today's video, we're going to take a look at, I know guys, be careful with me, XRP. We're going to look at the long-term and the short-term charts on it. And if that sounds good to you, make sure you smack the subscribe button down below. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the longer-term time frame chart for XRP, as you can see here, guys, we're just still in this descending kind of wedge pattern. We had this long-term red resistance line that we bounced off of 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and now we're going back up to test it a 5th time, which I think we're going to break on this 5th chance. I will get into that later in the video, so make sure you watch the whole video. But we also got some support once, twice, 3 times. We're not going to speak about this little thing here, guys, but we had a V-shaped recovery. It went right back through it, and we actually came down and didn't get all the way down to it, but we created, on the shorter time frame, we created this little bull flag here, and we absolutely pumped straight out of it, which is great to see for XRP because we've just basically been in this long-term downtrend. XRP is a great return on investment even if it can just get back to its last all-time highs. You're looking at about a 16 to 17 X return just to get back to all-time highs. That's once it breaks all-time highs, it's off from there. It's in price discovery. We don't even know where it's gonna go, guys. But I see this after it broke out of this really long-term bull flag here, almost a 3-month bull flag. I see this going back up and testing the top of this range again, guys. Hopefully we can break through it. We've been rejected by it multiple times in the past, so let's see if we can make it back up there. I'm going to take a look at the next chart now, and that's kind of the next kind of resistances we have in the shorter term time frame to get back up to this resistance line here, which is about 27 cents, which lines up almost perfectly with one of these resistance lines, guys. So we're in this resistance right now. It looks like we're just kind of blasting through it. We got rejected here once, twice, had support here, and then, you know, going back, we've had some resistance and support all the way back here, guys, in 2017. So it looks like we're just really blasting straight through this resistance, red resistance box here. We've built up a great green support box here, which we have so much confluence and so much price action in this green box. I think this will be our floor for the short term. Even if we bounce off this resistance, come back and test it as support, and then continue to move back up, I think we built a really good support floor in this green box range, guys. If we do end up blasting through this red box, which I think is perfectly possible the way the altcoins and Bitcoin are moving right now, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin's moving really fast, so you expect the altcoins to kind of pop off with them. They kind of, because Bitcoin usually pops off, altcoins drop a little bit, and then once Bitcoin hits a resistance line, that money flows right back into altcoins. So don't be afraid if the altcoins are dropping a little bit as Bitcoin moves up, guys. So we have this red resistance box here, which, as you can see, we had a couple resistances here coming back. We had support, resistance, and then we had support all kind of through this area here, guys. So this is a huge area in this red box. I can see this being a tough kind of thing to break because it's in perfect confluence. You see it's the 27 cents. Perfect confluence with the top of this descending wedge pattern. But if we can break through that, we've got pretty much clear skies until the top of this, which is about 33 cents. So be on lookout at that 27-cent range for a possible pullback, maybe back to this kind of confluence here, and then continue to move back up, guys. I'm going to switch over to the third thing I want to talk about today. We're actually going to talk about this Bitcoin rainbow chart a little bit, which I think is absolutely mind-blowing. I look at this when I want to dollar cost average. Is it still a good time to buy? Is it still time to accumulate? Is it a fire sale? Basically, each color on this rainbow kind of represents where you should be buying, where you should be selling. If there's FOMO in the market, if you're bubble territory, like you got to get out, like it's not going to go much higher. As you can see, it's played out very perfectly in Bitcoin's history. As you can see at the lows, we're in the basically fire sale, and then once we pump back up and we get to the red box, that's when you want to sell. That's maximum bubble territory, as it says here, guys. And then once we hit that we correct, and then usually if we get overextended and once we get to the red box, we're usually going to come back down to the basically a fire sale, or the buy, and accumulate. So this is the time you want to buy when we're down there in the bottom of the rainbow, and this is the time you want to sell when you're in the top of the rainbow. Now, even with the crazy price action that we've seen lately, we're still all the way down here in the buy / accumulate section. So we still have so much more time to run up. Based on this chart, if we extend this out a little bit to about the end of 2021, we're going to be looking at a 100,000 to 125,000 Bitcoin. According to this chart, we have gone above it pretty substantially. So we could be seeing, 100,000, 200,000. In my opinion, I see basically the top being around the 150,000 mark. That's just my prediction for Bitcoin. Let me know what you guys think Bitcoin's ceiling is in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't stare at the charts all day. It's not gonna, change your life. You're gonna change your life by getting outside, enjoying life, just being a happy person and not staring at the charts all day. It's not gonna change the prices if you just stare at them all day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smack that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, gives me motivation. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.